This video, we're going to take a look at the search functionality in Grace Mobile 2, and we're going to click on search from the main screen. And by default, we find that scriptures and the very first translation is selected. If we hit that, we can select any translation we would like to search. I'm just going to stick with the default for now, and let's just do something simple like Mary. We're going to see it's no longer, unlike previous versions, it's not just in order of what book they are in. There's now a relevancy search going on, and what the system is doing is trying to find the most relevant matches, even though there's tons of matches that might contain Mary, the ones that might be most useful. So that's a slight change from before. At the bottom here, you'll notice that we also have the arrows. So if we click that, we can keep paging through the results. Sometimes searching might actually take a little bit longer because the fact that it does have to do quite a bit of work to find all the relevancy and the words and everything. So that is to be expected, although we think it is fairly quick for what it does. So that's basically it for a general search in there for scriptures. If you use multiple words, Mary and John, let's see what we come up with here. We'll see that Mary and John, with the relevancy engine, sorry, you'll see that it's working here, and we'll see that Mary and John are here, but they're contextually here, not just because of the fact that the two words are there. You'll see Mary, Joan, Mary the mother of James. So you see that this is relevant even though the word John is not there. Something similar we can do is if we pull down the top one, we can do this also for commentaries. And it's going to use the same kind of relevancy matching to try and find the best results for what we're looking for. And if we click on one, we'll see we get the full commentary related to that item. Dictionaries. Dictionaries work very much in the same way. Easton's Dictionary, we'll just do something simple like Mary to start with here. And you'll see what it should do is give us exactly what I thought. A entire basic definition of Mary and a lot of interesting things about her and what have you, and some information on her life and where she is found in the Bible. And so there's a lot of information right there just for something so simple. We can do something a little different. Let's try Hades. Okay, something a little more. And it does the same thing. Comes up and gives us a definition for it. Something a little bit more obscure. Bookmarks. We can also search in our bookmarks for anything that we've typed actually inside the notes of our bookmarks. I don't remember if we have any bookmarks or typed anything, but if we did, we can try and search for some stuff in our bookmarks. And we don't have anything in there for that. What you will notice too is this exact match only. So if we were to do demo car, let's say, and I turn exact match only on, it's going to find and make sure that demo and car are there in that context together, that demo and car act as one block. Instead of looking for demo and car, it's looking for demo car. And this can become important when you have a whole lot of bookmarks, and some things might you might have James and John, but you might be looking for them in a specific context. So you can turn that on and off and see what kind of results you get. And I know we have a note here, and notes search in the keyword. So let me put in just demo here and leave that turned off and do a search. And we should be able to get results here. We'll see we get both of them because they both have demo in them. Just like with, I believe we put Mary. I believe I put Mary in both of them. So we should get the same results both with Mary. Looks like I have too many in there. But if I put in something unique that's not not in, there we go. So that word is only in those two notes. And if I click on the note, it's going to bring me in here. It'll show me the tags. We'll see that only this tag has the word tags, or sorry, this list of keywords only has the word tags in it, whereas the other ones don't. An exact matching. If I turn on exact matching in here, we'll see even though we have tags and we put James, we're not going to get any results because we do not have a tag that is, we do not have a keyword that is tags James all together. So that's about it for searching in there. It is quite a bit to play with those options, and there's different ways you can search by figuring out how to use different keywords and different characters in here. But it's a little bit more advanced, and we'll get to that in another video.